tous, j'espère que vous allez bien et voilà, je suis de retour avec notre 10e leçon. Aujourd'hui, nous allons parler à propos du temps. Nous allons parler à propos du temps ou météo. Allons-y. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is our 10th lesson and in today's lesson we are going to learn about the weather. The weather. How will you describe the weather in French? So in this lesson, I'm going to give you 10 vocabulary on how will you describe the weather in French language. And I'm going to give you also some bonus on how will you describe your favorite weather, right? So let's get started. So the most common way to describe the weather in French language is either you say, as in English, you say it is plus the condition of the weather. You say it is hot or it is cold or it is raining. In French, you are going to use the verb to do. Verbe faire. Verbe faire. So the question is, how is the weather? In French, you say, quel temps fait-il? In English, you say, how is the weather? In French, you say, quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? It is very important for us to know if it is cold or it is hot. Is it raining? Should I carry my umbrella? How it is. So we always use and add this in our daily conversation. So it is very important for you to know how you are going to describe the weather in French. So watch the video till the end. In English, you say it is plus the condition of the weather. But in French, you use the verb faire. Faire. Il fait, as you say in English, it is. In French, you say il fait plus the condition of the weather, right? So the first one is, if you want to say the weather is good. The weather is good. It is good weather. It is good outside. You can say it is good. It is nice weather. Then in French you say il fait beau. Il fait beau. That's all. Il fait beau. It is nice weather. You say in French il fait beau. Il fait beau. Right? Our second vocabulary is if you want to say it is cold. It is cold. Then you say, il fait froid. Il fait froid. It is cold. You say, il fait froid. Right? Our third vocabulary, if it is hot, then how will you say? You say in English, it is hot. In French, you say, il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. So if it is cloudy, you say it is cloudy. In French, you say il fait nuageux. Il fait nuageux. From the word cloud, the meaning of cloud in French is nuage. Nuage. If it is stormy, as you say in English, it is stormy from the word storm. Then you say in French, il fait orageux. Il fait orageux, from the word orage. I repeat, if it is stormy, that is from the word storm, then you say, il fait orageux. Il fait orageux, from the word orage. So, as we say in the starting, il fait beau for nice weather, and then if the weather is bad, as we say, it is bad weather, then you say, il fait mauvais. Il fait mauvais, right? So there are also another way that you can describe the weather in French. I'm gonna give you also some example on how easily you can also describe the weather. Suppose it is raining. It is raining. Then you can say simply, il pleut. Il pleut. In very simple way, il pleut. It is raining, then you say il pleut. So if it is snowing, then we can say in simple way, il neige. Il neige. Neige means snow. As we say, we can also say, il y a de la neige. Il y a de la neige. But it is very simple to say, il neige. And there is also another way that you can say, you can describe the weather. If suppose it is foggy, there is fog. It is foggy, so you can say, il y a du brouillard. Il y a du brouillard. Brouillard means fog, right? It is foggy, so you say, il y a du brouillard. And if it is windy, if wind is blowing, then we say, il y a du vent. Il y a du vent. Vent means wind. Il y a du vent. So, how many vocabulary we see right now? Can you repeat with me? The first one is, il fait beau. Il fait beau means, can you tell me? Il fait beau, which means it is good weather. It is good, right? And il fait mauvais. Il fait mauvais. What is that? The bad weather. The weather is bad. Il fait mauvais, right? If it is hot, what you say? Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. If it is cold, then you say, what you say? Can you tell me? Il fait froid. Il fait froid. And if it is stormy, then what you say? Il fait orageux. Orageux. And if it is cloudy, then we say, il fait nuageux. And we learn also to describe in different way. If it is raining, then we say, il pleut. And if it is snowing, then we say, il neige. And if there is, what else we learn? There is another way also that you can describe the weather. As I told you, if it is foggy, then you say, il y a du brouillard. Il y a du brouillard. And if it is windy, the wind is blowing, then what you say? Can you tell me? Il y a du vent. Il y a du vent. So now I'm gonna tell you, how will you tell about your favorite weather? How will you describe? You can say, the question is, what is your favorite weather? How will you say in French? Quel est votre temps préféré? Quel est votre temps préféré? As we described that the weather means le temps, right? So, quel est votre temps préféré? You can say, I prefer hot season. I prefer hot season. Then, how will you say in French? Je préfère le chaud. Je préfère le chaud. Maybe there are many reasons that you can wear any light dress in that during summer season. So you prefer the hot season. Then you say, je préfère la saison chaude. Je préfère la saison chaude. Or you could say simply, je préfère le chaud. Je préfère le chaud, right? And if you prefer cold season, then you say, je préfère le froid. Je préfère le froid, right? Or if you like the rainy season, then you say, je préfère la pluie. Je préfère la pluie. Or you can say, je préfère la saison de pluie. Je préfère la saison de pluie. Can we repeat together? How will you describe about your favorite season? If you prefer the hot weather, then you say, je préfère le temps chaud. Je préfère le temps chaud. If you prefer the hot season, then you say, if you prefer the hot weather, then you say, je préfère le temps chaud. Or if you prefer the cold season, then you say, je préfère le froid. Je préfère le froid. And if you prefer the rainy season, then you say, je préfère la saison de pluie. La saison de pluie, right? So I hope that this video is useful for you, and make sure that you learn well your previous lesson where we were learning about telling the time in French. Today we are learning about how to tell and describe the weather, and I'm gonna give you in the description box our previous lesson about how will you tell the time in French, right? So I hope to see you in my next video. For the time being, see you, bye bye, take care, au revoir et à très bientôt.